Most people think a Walmart gift card will work instantly online. But here's the truth no one tells you. When it fails at checkout, it is usually not the card itself. It is a small issue with activation, entry, or account setup that blocks the purchase. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Walmart gift card is not working for online purchases in 2026, the real reasons behind it, and how to fix it step by step so you can complete your order without stress. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how the system works. A gift card from Walmart must be fully activated and properly entered before it can be used online. If anything is missing or incorrect, the checkout system will reject it automatically. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume the card is ready to use the moment they receive it. But many physical cards still require activation at the register. If that step was skipped or not completed correctly, the card will fail online every time. So the first thing you should do is verify activation. Check your purchase receipt or confirm with the store where you bought the card. But here's where it gets interesting. Even if your card is activated, incorrect entry is the #1 reason online purchases fail. A single wrong digit, extra space, or confused character can make the system reject it instantly. So always retype the card number slowly and carefully. If it is a digital gift card, copy and paste it directly without adding spaces. Now here's another common issue. Browser or app glitches can interfere with checkout. Jake experienced this when his card kept failing on desktop but worked instantly on the Walmart app. Switching devices fixed the issue immediately. So if your card is not working, try using the mobile app or switching to another browser. Clearing cache or using incognito mode can also help. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Account mismatch is another hidden problem. If your Walmart account region does not match your gift card region, the system may block the payment even if the balance is valid. So always check your account settings before trying again. But here's the problem. Even when everything is correct, system delays can still happen. During high traffic sales or promotions, online payment systems can temporarily fail to process gift cards. In that case, waiting a few minutes and retrying usually solves the issue automatically. Now let's talk about checkout mistakes. Many users forget to actually select the gift card as their payment method. It does not always apply automatically. You must manually choose it before confirming your order. If you skip this step, the purchase will fail even if your balance is available. Now here's the final fix most people overlook. Remove the gift card from your account and add it again. This resets the connection and often restores full online functionality instantly. If nothing works, contact Walmart support with your card details and receipt. They can verify activation and fix back-end issues quickly. So let's quickly summarize. Most Walmart gift card online purchase issues come from missing activation, wrong entry, browser problems, region mismatch, or checkout selection errors. And once you fix these, your gift card usually works online immediately again. If this video helped you, like it, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides that make online problems easier to solve.